Jim DePalma, Instagram Marketing Tips. Are you looking to up your Instagram marketing game? Whether you're a business looking to grow your following or just trying to figure out how to use the app, Jim DePalma has some tips for you. In this video, we'll go over some basics of using Instagram for marketing and give you a few ideas on how to make the most of it. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, read on for some helpful tips. Jim DePalma's tips for marketing on Instagram. 1. Use quality images. This is important for any platform, but especially on Instagram, where users are scrolling through a feed full of images. If your photos are low quality, blurry, or otherwise unappealing, users are likely to scroll right past them. Make sure to use high quality, visually appealing images in your posts. 2. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to get your content seen by more people, says Jim DePalma. When users search for a certain hashtag, your content will show up in the results if you've used that hashtag. Use relevant hashtags that relate to your business or industry to reach a wider audience. 3. Post regularly. If you want to maintain a presence on Instagram, you need to post often. The frequency of posting depends on your business and the goals you're trying to achieve, but generally speaking, it's best to post at least once a day. 4. Engage with other users. Engagement is key on any social media platform. Take the time to like and comment on other users' content. This will not only put your name in front of more people, but it will also help you build relationships with other users. 5. Use stories. Instagram stories are one of the best ways to share quick updates or behind-the-scenes content with people. They are perfect for sharing content that is time-sensitive, as they disappear in 24 hours. 6. Use Instagram ads. If you want to reach a wider audience, consider using Instagram ads. You can direct your ads to specific locations, interests, and demographics. This is a great way to get your content in front of people who are more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. 7. Host a giveaway or contest. Giveaways and contests are very popular on social media. They're a great way to increase engagement and grow your following. 8. Collaborate with other users or brands. Jim DePalma recommends reaching out to other users or brands and seeing if there's a way you can collaborate. This can be anything from guest posting on each other's accounts to running a joint contest or giveaway. 9. Use analytics. Instagram provides valuable insights into the performance of your posts. Use these insights to fine-tune your strategy and see what's working well so you can replicate that in the future. Jim DePalma's concluding thoughts. Instagram is a powerful marketing tool with a lot of potentials, according to Jim DePalma. With the right approach, you can use it to reach new customers and grow your business. Thanks for watching.